What's good, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going mining and trying to get a new item for my index. And if you don't subscribe, you better subscribe. Better. Or this is gonna happen to you. So you better subscribe. I'm watching you. Oh great, I'm out of ammo. Okay guys, so to go mine we need a couple things. Let's do a bag, a flashlight, and something to actual mine with, but I'm broke, so we're using sticks. Oh, actually, guys, let's look at my storage. We might just be lucky. There's a couple things kept in here. Bro, I hate this glitch where it just picks it up and you can't put it down. Eject and eject. Boxing. Pickaxe. And a backpack. And backpack. I have nothing in there. I just love how this backpack looks. It's a nice backpack. And then pickaxe. So let's go mining. Let's grab this cheese. And I'm not good at throwing the cheese, whatever. Someday I'm gonna throw it all the way across the map, and then the cheese is gonna go moldy. Yeah. This isn't the best flashlight I have. Actually, I think it is. I had a really big flashlight. I used it for like a sewer video, so I don't have it. If I can find it. I'm going a little far down. Hello? Hello? You think you can turn everything? I'm just gonna go for it. Did you know that? Okay, real minds do not die. Digging rules. Dig deep, relax, enjoy. Digging is fun. Have fun. With a buddy. Do not die. Okay. Sounds like a fair rule. The last one's definitely a fair rule. Guys. Crystal! Come here. Yeah. Bang. Boop. I said boop. Bang, boop. Okay, that's 2 research points. We need 2 more. Ah, no. Okay. One left. Maybe I do have one. Oh, I brought the backpack for a reason. Ah, what was that? Ooh, another gem. Silver's fine and all. for gold. Gold. Wake up. Let's grab that golden nugget. Sitting right here. I wish there was like a diamond nugget from these. Purple nugget. Purple nugget. Nah. It's just sad. Okay, let's go. Let's see. If we get, we're probably just gonna go for full like gold, tons of gold. Okay, just guys, please be with me. They should make, like, you know, the world area that has like growth and something. They should make the world with it. Hear me out, like, wouldn't that not be a good idea? Oh my gosh, I'm getting attacked by a spider boy. What in the aimbot? Oh, I was sitting on a, whatever. I'm just a little bit lower on money. And lost everything I had. But that's fine. It's all okay. Because now, we're up to 4 research points. Now we just need one more. That's it. So we can buy the item I want to buy. Which is 1/5. Now let's open some more crates. Let's open 3. 1 crate, 2 crate, 2 crate, 3 crate. First one, we got a backpack. Second, we got a slip. I don't know if that's a weapon or not. We got it. 1.5 feet. Let's open one more because we need a pickaxe. There we go. I don't think the slippers are weapons, but they could be. If it's a weapon, we can break this. That's a weapon. Dang. That took decades. Do not suggest that. So I'm just gonna throw the slippers. I don't need them no more. If you wanted some slippers, there's some in mines for you guys. If you get my lobby somehow. While I'm doing a video. I don't know. Ooh, gold. Let's go, guys. We got gold. More gold. Finally, good. Very good. Oh no. We're almost to 2/5. Right there. Almost. No, we are not. At least we're getting closer. Over time, we're getting closer, which is just good. Oh, my flashlight is right now. Well, that's just fantastic. Can't really see a thing. Okay, there's tons and tons of gold here. Gold. Tons of gold. Gold. As you can see, I'm not the best. Doing parkour. Oh. I'm so close to hitting it. No, only got 2 hits on it. It's fine. Maybe we can get it. Oh, good. Yay. Let's go to every direction I look. But some of it I'm just not going to, guys. Here, this is what okay. We're doing pretty good. We just need another big stack. I did it! I'm running. Oh, what an aimbot. What an aimbot. I hate spiders so much. Why are they just always on the ceiling? You can never hit them. My arm. At least we were making money. Ish money. For the 15th time, guys, we're opening on boxes. We're gonna keep one though. So this is the last of our boxes. Hopefully pickaxe. A slipper that can break stuff. Pickaxe that can break stuff. Okay. You know, don't need the slipper. We can take the axe though. Hey, pickaxe, no. Come back. Stop rolling. I need you. It's really realistic. It's more realistic than all these blobs everywhere. Canopy is like the most realistic thing in this game. I'm not gonna lie. The canopy walls. Because everything's so like blocky like Minecraft. Like you're in a ginormous and you're just a giant. Like there's too many blocks in here. Of the blocky textures. Minecraft is blocky texture. Minecraft's just Minecraft worlds are just like giant blocks of texture. Think of it. Would a piece like a Minecraft world look like a piece of art? Like if you just put it on a canvas, slapped it down, a full Minecraft world, everything would be so blocky from the like a Minecraft maps, a giant Minecraft map, but for like the full world. I don't know. It'll be interesting. We're so close, guys. We're almost to the fort. I think it's this way. Yes. Yes. Okay. No, we just hope we don't get attacked by a spooter again. Or whatever that is. The weird gloopy stuff or spidery ones. So I wish for. Actually. Oh, it's me. Hello, me. How you doing? You alive? I'll be taking the tag back. I'm just. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, there we go. We're out of pickaxes and pickaxes. Let's see what else we got. Let's go mining. I'm not using that. Oh, wait, we have enough to buy some stools. We can buy a pickaxe. And we can buy a flashlight. That's all I've ever wished for. A mining gear. Like, just having this is like full mined out. Like, you can just go through this. I like how the pickaxe is just like looks so like brand new. They should add something to animal company to make items non-look brand new over time. Cool. Animal company, if you hear this video, please. Like, my pickaxe should be able to rust. I dip it in the sand, now it's rusting. Actually, that might not be the best idea. Because then you'd have to put some new textures in the game, which would make it more laggy, and if it make it more laggy, then I can barely play, because there's already lobbies that are really laggy, and then people that figure out this new thing that is making more lag, then they'll just start using it for giant lag machines that are even worse than the lag machines are already making. Yeah, never. Just don't do that. Do not do that. Oh, why did I come to the bottom? I've already mined out every single piece of gold at the bottom. Let's go to the second layer. I'm pretty sure that's a lava level. Oh my god. I don't like these zip lines at all. They always go down and up, and you never know where you're going, up or down. Second layer. I don't think this. I think it might be this layer. I don't know if this one is it. Probably isn't. No, it's not. Hold research points. You need research points. Is that it to this area? Like 500 research points? Or we got more? More research points. No! This is confusing. I don't know where I'm walking. There's too much stuff in this level. There's 2 mimics! Okay, push. Okay, so this is just full of research points. This whole area is just research points. Research points. Hopefully the mimic doesn't get mad at me for itself falling in lava. Because all mimics are some reason. Oh no, it is the lava level. What the heck? Confused for a second. No collision. My other arm hits wall. It just burns me. Come on, Luckin. Yeah. This is what I wanted. No, my hand's stuck. Get this. No, please. No, come on. Easy. Free lava. Ooh, more lava. Free lava or cells for a good amount. I hope. As long as I don't touch the lava, it's fine. We are so close. We are so close. Oh, we're so close. How'd you get over here? Dumb angler. That's so much. It's almost 1 mil. Oh, we did it! Oh, well, I had to get out here with my stuff. Never mind. For a while. That would have been useful. Ish. No. Had I survived that? It's lava or lava. No, my back. Well, there we go, guys. We did it. We can officially buy what we wanted to buy. And my outfit is also low, guys. So, that's just fun. Why is it not? Oh, that looks good. Why is it not red? It's not red. There we go, guys. Please, make it. Yeah, let's go. Now we just gotta walk. Where's the X? I think this might be the X. No. Please tell me it's not all the way across here. Or it's all the way over here. I went to the opposite side of where I was supposed to go. Yeah, this is definitely the exit. Copper everywhere. Sounds about right. Copper. Who doesn't like copper? What is going on here? My hand broke. I'm one-handed. Oh, there we go. So much lava ore. Oh, no, my flashlight. I'm using this to make a little bit of momentum. I really didn't think we were gonna make it, guys. But we did. Okay, we did. And we made a good amount of money. And we're about to make more. We got a lot of lava ore. So, we just gotta hope lava ore sells for a good amount. I'm at least hoping for like 200 for lava ore. 200, 300. 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, maybe 1,000. No, I'm just kidding. There's no way we get any of those. Best we're probably gonna get is 400 for one. But at least we got a lot, so it should bring us up by a good amount to actually be able to buy items to make mechs and stuff like that. So, oh, for sure. Oh. Yes. Let's go. We at 6K now. I can actually buy almost everything in here. But the one thing I wanted to buy is actually the hoverboard. It's a nice purchase. I could buy anything in the shop that I want. And I'm thinking this thingy. How much nuts did I spend on that? Spend on a hoverboard. I didn't even want to buy it. I used to spend it. For about 2,000. Yeah, that's a lot. Alright, 4,000. Dang. But look, we have every single lake alien type. These are good. It takes a while for them to reset, but that's what you're doing. And then it just recharges the crystal really fast. Pretty good. Get enough money to buy 2 of these. And then you go with the other one, and then you go with the next one, like infinite language. And these things can go higher than fans. Like one. I'm able to stay in the air with one of these for like a while. Like don't count that. I didn't need to hit the grass. But that brings you pretty far with just one. 2, you're just infinitely in there. But great purchase, we did it. Unlocking hover pad. And let's plunge this hover pad as done. There we go. We thought. No, I'm supposed to plunge you as done. Now that has the plunger. And that means it's done. So you can't move. Because I'm trying to make sure you're done. There you go. You know, fly yourself away. I don't want you no more. It's the worst purchase of my life. Worst purchase. Worst purchase. Oh. Finally, it's gone. Well, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Peace out.